Come here. That's rather steep. Ah. No, they're escaping. What's going on here? Where are you guys going? Where are you going? Is there a party down there? Should I come along? There's the fourth one that's gone that way. Ah, look at them, look at them, look at them. Yep, it's happening down there. Wow, they're up in the trees.
And they always do adjustment or make their house at night.
Oh yeah, they come, yes, okay. They use the cool temperature.
Nice.
Clever creatures. Oh, she's huge. And then the thing dries in the sun. When the sun comes out, it dries it. That's how far we've come so far. The forest path. Okay, let's crack on. So it comes up and suffocates the original tree and takes over. Parasite tree. Interesting. Never heard of that before. Okay.
I don't know.
Sava
Senegalesis.
Senegalesis. Was it from Senegal?
We have the
Just
tree called
asking.
here, Lantana Camara. That's
So it suffocated that palm tree.
When you pronounce the people, they say Camara. Camara is a surname to people.
Ah, yeah.
Camara, yeah.
Yes. I don't know what it is. I'll find out. It smells amazing. Come to the bridge now.
The bridge we are going to
Oh, that's another one.
Yeah.
Okay. Another anthill. Is there a crocodile in there? I dropped this phone. I'm leaving this phone here. I'm not putting my hand in.
But it's a big area, so we are going to the main one where we can try to see the crocodile.
The
It's only here,
creatures.
they are here.
They're in here.
Yeah, this
Okay.
rainwater.
Onward ever.
Yeah.
Stoppage, never. Can we move? Well, if I drop my phone, that's it. I'm not taking it. I'm leaving it for them. I don't know if I can zoom in. It's so big. Oh, you won't appreciate the size from this footage. That's got to be the biggest spider I've ever seen. Look at the size of it. It's hosting me. I don't need anybody to tell me that you're poisonous.
Hello?
Gosh. University of Warwick.
Okay.
Edward Brewer. Sea python. Gosh. I'm not sure we're going to see all these things. Beautiful. Very nice tree. Let's continue. Come.
This is our new bridge.
A new bridge.
Yeah, less than. Just yesterday we completed the village.
Okay.
Now only 20. you are enjoying the trip. Forest walk. This is your first time in the Gambia.
Oh, look at all that. Oh, you just look at that.
What?
Ay.
Whoa. These are ants. We call them soldiers. Just jump.
They bite, don't they?
They bite.
Jenny.
And the other one is here.
Where?
No, they are not friendly. See the other one hide.
Oh yes, up there.
This one, they are not friendly. That is their problem.
Ah.
They are different.
They're
from
shy.
Yeah.
What do you call the red what?
The red colobus monkey.
Red colobus monkey. Oh, I'm not sure they can see this. I can see, but oh dear. She's got a baby.
Yeah.
Ah, come on. Come here. Oh, that's the other one. He's run away, that one.
The other one is here.
Now you don't want to move. Oh, yeah, there she goes. There she goes. Okay. Oh, it's got a baby. It's still there. I can still see reddish.
Hi.
Oh, very high. They're clever. They know where to hide.
Yeah.
So you don't see them. Can you still see it? Yeah, I can see it moving. Ah, I can see the tail. There you go. I know you're there. Oh, God. If you come here at night and the tree is moving like that. You run for your life. Oh, that's nice. The red one.
Yeah.
Really? It's shaped like a mushroom.
It's a mushroom.
Very sunny. Ooh. Sun's out now. That's the guide. What happened?
You can just go closer to it.
Is it the green velvet one you said? What's this one called? Green velvet?
Green velvet monkey.
Green velvet monkeys. Hello. Aww. Hello, baby. There's another one coming. Hi, guys. Oh, there's more. Oh, it's just there. You're not shy at all, are you? Oh, I like. I know. I was saying let's buy peanut. We didn't buy the function. I forgot. I said it, but I didn't do it. Oh, I forgot. Where's the little one? It's gone. Bye, monkey. Bye, monkey. Oh, there you are. Very clever. Nice hiding place. I didn't see you for a second. I can hear the ones in the trees. Let's go search for more animals. These huge trees are just amazing. They're everywhere. There's a lot of foliage. I'll advise you bring some water with you. I'm having a headache from thirst. I've got a bottle, just a little bit of water in it. It's not cold. So come prepared. Peanuts, Oh, well, they said. Oh, I thought you said we shouldn't feed them. Are we supposed to feed the animals? We're not allowed to. Are we? May...
Yeah. We do them like the animal orphanage.
Oh, at the orphanage
Like
you can feed them. Oh, okay, fine.
You can just feed them.
Right, so at the orphanage.
We allow people to feed them.
Sometimes. Okay, so come prepared just in case.
Yeah.
Peanuts. They like peanuts. That's the nuts and the husk.
When they people coming, they just come out.
Yes.
If you have peanuts, you can just eat it.
Okay. Crunch, crunch.
There are a lot of wild fruits here.
Yeah, I just saw something strange. Look like a potato. I'll pick something else when I see. Okay. Forest walk. Oof, the sun. It's so peaceful. I hear there's snakes here though. Okay.
So when they bring
Feeding.
meat for the hyenas,
I see.
Yeah.
Vultures. I can't really see them.
So for Isula, how often I give it?
Gosh, look at that wingspan.
but now we give them twice in a week so that they'll have fatty club because we smell out of
Huge. That's what I'm saying. I hope they don't poop on my head. Shall we get out of here? I don't want vulture poop on my head. Just imagine. No, not a good. I don't think it's a good thing. I know. I can see. Ugh. Ugh. Vulture poop. Yuck. Okay, let's see if we can see them from here. Yeah, there they are. Loads of them.
Yeah, they are feeding pig.
The last time I saw this, I was a little child, and we went to the zoo in Lagos. And I remember my wicked teacher that just given me a thorough thrashing in school. Wow. One of the gorillas just pooped into his hand and then threw it at her. And I don't remember being sorry for that because she was so mean to me and I was hurting. What mushroom is that? It's huge. And is it a poisonous one?
Yeah.
Poisonous?
Maybe not, I don't know.
Possibly. Hello, baboon. I can't see you very well, but something tells me.
They are from different families.
Okay, they don't know
Put
themselves.
them here, so every day we give them their food, fruit.
Hi, Albenyad. Hello. Okay. You put them in door. Ah?
Look, it's coming. Hiyo. My mother, help me. Eh?
Hey, you put them in.
Are you serious?
You put them in here.
Maybe he doesn't want us here. Let's move away. Sorry, didn't mean to offend you. No.
This one, they are from
What did you say to him? Why did you make him?
Where are you from? Are you from Kia?
Where he was.
Come this side.
You upset. Eh? Okay.
They are from Badi.
You upset him.
No, you know this. They don't want to hear that they're from his village.
There are many. You can see the other
Yeah,
one.
look at the baby. Hello, Smolly.
Hey, can't do nothing. Can't do.
He recognizes you. Are you from the same village?
Yo!
They are Badunga.
Can't give. Hey, can't give.
Hi. That's the big boss. Bro, say hello. Oh, he's got an injury. Oh no, he's got an injury.
Maybe he's fighting another one.
Oh no, that's not good. Yeah. That's not good at all. That's huge. Can it not? Oh, can it not? Can they help it?
Yeah, of course, we are going to do it.
Oh,
I just see it now. But
poor thing. Gosh. Oh no, that's big. That is really big. That's a big tear in the skin. It's a good thing the camera can pick that up properly. That's the drinking trough. The ranger's just taking a picture of the injury so they can report it. It's on the inside leg of the baboon, the old baboon. It's a horrible tear.
Yo, I didn't that up.
Oh, so this is a nice space. The people gather here.
yeah.
It's very nice. I like. It's like a tree house. The sitting area here. And you can see the orphanage where they keep the monkeys and baboons. There's that noise you're hearing is the vultures on the roof. And more monkeys there. Look at them. And that's it. What are you guys doing here? So when the animals get fed, the vultures come and wrest some food away from them.
Come and see the hyena.
Hyena? Oh dear.
Huh?
I don't think I've ever seen a hyena in real life. I think the only ones I've ever seen, Attenborough showed them to me. Sir Attenborough, I should say. Ooh, there they are. Gosh. Ah, this is a big animal.
Yeah.
Are they this big?
There are many there. The other ones are there.
You look like a lion.
Okay.
Humongous.
Local name Buki.
Buki.
Okay.
A hyena is called Buki. Ooh, you are a creature.
The other ones are the other cage there. We put them different cages.
Do they fight themselves?
Yeah, they fight. They used to fight.
I suppose
Go to the other area.
from the dog family, aren't they? So they want to establish a code and hierarchy and all that. Like a wolf pack and all.
Come.
Oh, look at this. No, this is too big.
Okay.
Hi. I didn't know hyenas were this big.
Okay.
So I'm just trying to get.
Come.
So
Okay.
it's so out of focus because I'm trying to.
Okay.
It's sniffing the air. He knows you.
Oh, honey.
There's a lot of banter going on around me here. Shame I don't understand what's being said, but they keep teasing each other about where they're from and who's more popular. etc. What are you sniffing?
Huh?
Okay. Now.
Come back. I could hear the sound. Oh, it's gone. It's gone. That was quick. Oh, there are many of them. He's gonna fly away now because I'm pointing something at it. On the branch.
Yeah, now make it.
There we go. Violet. Traco. That's it.
Mm-hmm.
It's so small.
That's all.
You're going to sniff as well. Very fun.
Good.
I can see the other one in the tree. Can you see the other tree? What are you eating?
Enjoying himself.
In the shade. Yeah. Is it tasty? They're busy in that place. Okay.
You can see the tortoise
Hello,
over there.
This
Can you
baboon is going to come
Can you
close.
see the tortoise?
Yes.
Here. Here. Come here, Gian.
He's talking to you. That's a tortoise there. How old is a tortoise?
This one is more than 30 years.
30 years. You're going to try and take my phone, aren't you? More than 30 years. And that tortoise. Let's try. Let's try again. There you go. That's what a 30-year-old tortoise looks like. You're a friendly baboon, aren't you? What's he doing? He's weeing.
Yes.
How rude. Can you imagine? Is that how you say hello to your visitors? You come and wee next to them. Naughty. What have you got to say for yourself?
Here. Ah.
Sorry. Hmm? So the other ones fight it.
Yeah. This one.
Oh, so he's been bullied, poor thing. Oh. And he lives with the tortoise, just the tortoise.
Yeah.
Oh.
But later we are going to this one is back now.
Okay.
Here, bye-bye. That one. Bye-bye.
Oh. Oh, the poor thing. You're living a lonely life. Well, I guess the tortoise is not much of a friend.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye, creature. I don't like creatures in cages, I'll be honest with myself. But I guess they are helping to rewild them anyway. You care for them and then put them back in the wild eventually, so that's fine. What have we got there? Talo? That's not talo.
Okay,
Tamba.
inside your bag.
Oh, that one, okay. The one that has a lovely smell.
This one that make it fish broth, local one.
The sound. Yeah?
That's one. That's a very beautiful one.
Oh, it perched. Yeah, I can see. It's the sunbird. Oh, wow. Dark green. Oh, look at you. Look at you. Look at it hovering. Beautiful. I love birds. Absolutely love birds. Oh, there's like a canary over there. The yellow one. There's so many colors, so many different types of birds. Okay. Come on, everybody, bend down low and up we go. Yeah. Where is it? Oh.
one looking at.
I'm sure. Thank you. I can hear bees.
You are taking a video?
I can hear bees.
Bee?
Bees. Can you hear the humming?
Yeah. You went up to Rwanda
Yes, Rwanda. I was in Rwanda.
for a mission? or what?
Lantana. No. Just holiday with the family.
Okay.
Almost a year ago now. Lantana. What do you call it?
Kamara.
Kamara.
Lantana Kamara.
The fragrance is out of this world. Lantana Kamara.
Never give up.
It's got thorns on the Follow that thorn. What is that? It's jumping in the tree.
No.
Go.
Go.
Oh, yeah. What else was it?
What did you say? Yeah.
No, except there's a little water here.
Okay. Uh-oh. How am I going to get past that?
You got to use hair.
This
Follow me.
Okay.
Put the camera